I had fun the other night. I'm just sorry we didn't get to have that drink after.
After you rifled through my things and stole my day planner?
Your what?
Come off it, Nate. Where is my book?
This is episode 22 of season 5 of Gossip Girl. It is entitled Raiders of the Lost Art. It was written by Jay Coburn, and it was directed by Bart Wenrich.
At the end of the previous episode, Nate finds a book in Diana's hotel suite, which is encoded.
Any progress cracking the code?
None whatsoever. It's all a jumble of numbers and letters.
Do you even know what you're looking for?
Over the course of this episode, the gang kind of gets back together to solve the riddle of what's in this book, and that really takes them on sort of this incredible adventure.
Looks like we might have a lead thanks to Blair's powers of observation.
But unfortunately, the entire clue trail hangs by the flimsiest of threads. Nate's long-term memory.
And so, like, everybody is actually together with one exception, and that one exception is not too happy about it.
It's just, with Chuck.
And Serena, and Nate. And Serena Light, don't worry.
I'm not worried. Why would I be worried?
I think it's safe to say that if you're a big fan of the show, you're going to absolutely need to watch the end of this episode because it's going to forever change the landscape of the show, and you want to see it for yourself. You don't want to hear about it online.
Oh my God.
Spoiler alert, this is probably the biggest surprise of the year.